Hi there. This is the template. So let's open it with my browser, and you will see the final result. So here is the final result. There is four options, four sections. Is first one is for the header section. Header section is for just introducing your business, how what you do, and what is your uh, passion. I have used six different images of your services, and then I keep another one sections for your service list. One is for the window cleaning and the janitorial service, dumpster pet cleaning, and the pressure washing. What is whatever it is, the sections for the service, and some small description for the service relating to your work. And then I have write another sections is about your service with some details and some pictures, like window cleaning. In these sections I have write the description, heading, and the image for the window cleanings, and some small descriptions about window cleaning. And as usual I have done other four of your services. And the last thing, in the footer I keep my mind about your focused on about your services, like what is your services, and what you do and what you not do. for for these reasons I have put a background image relating to your services, that you use your service for the commercial cleaning. And that's why I put these sections in the footer area. And I write why choose your services. I have taken four different sections, why a client choose your services. And I have keep your phone number at the bottom. uh, they can touch and call you directly. So here is the details of your email template. So if you have any thing want to know, or if you need any modification or something, I can always do it at any time. And I will provide the source code in the comment sections, and those images also, and the so, HTML code I will put in the description sections. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you know that how to use it. If you need my assist to put or install these services to your CRM, I will always there. So thank you so much for watching this video. It is late night here, so good night from there.